Welcome, dear students. I am Akshata Patil, lecturer from the Department of Mathematics, KLS VDIT Halyar. So, in this video, I will be discussing how to solve second order ordinary differential equations numerically using Milne's predictor and corrector method. So, this is the subtopic in Module 5 of the course Transform Calculus, Fourier Series and Numerical Techniques, that is 18 Mat 3.1 of VTU syllabus. So first let us discuss what is working procedure to solve a problem of second order ordinary differential equation. So before starting a working procedure, so just let us recall the Milne's predictor and corrector formulae. Okay, so Milne's predictor formula will be defined like this. So that is y4 of predictor, which is equals to y0 plus 4h divided by 3 into 2y1 dash minus y2 dash plus 2y3 dash. And Milne's corrector formula is, so here we can write y4 of corrector, which is equals to y2 plus h by 3 into y2 dash plus 4y3 dash plus y4 dash. So these are the relations for predictor and correctors in case of Milne's, where this h is the step length. Okay, so these relations already we have used in module 4 of Milne's predictor and corrector method. So here with the small changes we'll hope to use these two relations to solve a second order ordinary differential equations. So these two relations, these two relations directly we use to solve a first order ordinary differential equation. But here, since these relations to solve a second order ordinary differential equation, so we need to modify these two relations. So that modification, let us discuss in the working rule. Let us see the working procedure for problems. So here we can write working procedure for problems. First step 1, here given second order ordinary differential equation is, they have given d square y divided by dx square, or we can say y double dash, which is equals to function of x comma y dash, and they have given some data, now here we put dy by dx, or we can say y dash, which is equals to z, and differentiate this function and differentiate this function with respect to x. So we obtain here d square y divided by dx square which is equals to y double dash, which is equals to z differentiation with respect to x means you will get dz by dx, or we can say z dash. Okay, so substitute this one in equation number, this above equation. Okay, so substitute this one. Substitute this function in above equation. So d square y divided by dx square, this function d square y divided by dx square will reduce to so here we can write, in place of d square y by dx square, let us substitute this value z dash. So you will get here z dash, which is equals to, so here I will use some other notation. Here we have used f function, so here we can use the function g of x comma y comma z. Okay, so this d square y divided by dx square will reduce to z dash, which is equals to the function g of x comma y comma z. Okay, so this is first order, we can say this is first order ordinary differential equation. Okay, it means in step 1, what we should do in step 1? In step 1, we reduce second order ordinary differential equation to first order ordinary differential equation. I hope you understand this step 1. In step 1, what we should do? We should reduce the second order ordinary differential equation to first order ordinary differential equation by putting dy by dx equals to z. Okay, now let us move for step 2. Now step 2, here we prepare the table consisting values of y. Okay, so second step, we prepare the table consisting values of x comma y and y dash. Y dash will be taken as z. Okay, so here we prepare the consisting values of we prepare the table consisting values of x comma y and y dash equals to z, y dash which is nothing but z, and also y double dash which is equals to z dash. Okay, so let us construct the table here. Okay, so table means you will get here, that is x y dash equals to z, y double dash equals to z dash. Okay, so here x, they have given the data points x0, x1, x2, x3, and corresponding y they have given y0, y1, y2, y3, and y dash will be taken as z, means here z0, z1, z2, z3. Y double dash will be taken as z dash, means this is z0 dash, z1 dash, z2 dash, and z3 dash. Okay, now here in this table we know the values of x. Okay, we know the values of y, we know the values of z, that is z0, z1, z2, z3. By using all these values, we calculate z0 dash, z1 dash, z2 dash, and z3 dash. Okay, so this is step 2. Now step 3, after preparing this table, we apply predictor formula. Okay, we apply predictor formula. We apply predictor formula and find y4 of predictor and z4 of predictor. Okay, so step 3 is what? After preparing this table, So we first calculate, we apply predictor formula and calculate y4 of predictor value and z4 of predictor value. So the formula for y4 of predictor is, so y4 of predictor, which is equals to, formula is what? So y naught plus 4h by 3 into 2z1 minus z2 plus 2z3. Okay, so this is the same formula what we have used in module 4, but only thing in place of here, only thing in place of, just see here, y1 dash, okay, we'll use z, okay, in place of y2 dash, y3 dash, here we will use z1, z2 and z3. Okay, I hope you understand. So here it is the same formula, no need to remember extra here. Okay, so this is a what we have used in module 4. So that the formula will be same. In place of y1 dash, y2 dash, y3 dash, here we will use z1, z2 and z3 terms. Okay, now this is our y4 of predictor formulae. Now z4 of predictor, which is equals to, formula is z4 z0 plus 4h by 3 into 2z1 dash minus z2 dash plus 2z3 dash. Okay, so this is a formula to calculate predictor value of z4. So z4 of predictor formula is what? z0 plus 4h by 3 2 into 2z1 dash minus z2 dash plus 2z3 dash. Okay, so in step 3 what we should do, we apply the predictor formula and find y4 of predictor and z4 of predictor. So y4 of predictor formula is y0 plus 4h by 3 into 2z1 minus z2 plus 2z3, and z4 of predictor formula is z0 plus 4h by 3 into 2z1 dash minus z2 dash plus 2z3 dash. Okay, so let us move for step 4. So step 4, here we compute z4 dash. We compute z4 dash. So z4 dash is nothing but the function of x4, y4 and z4. Okay, so we compute z4 dash first and then apply the character formula. So in step 5 what we should do, in step 5 we apply character formulae. Okay, and find y4 of c and z4 of c. Okay, now let us see the formula for y4 of c. Now y4 of c, which is equals to, formula is y2 plus h by 3 into z2 plus 4z3 plus of z4. So just recall the model 4 Milne's character formulae. In there also we have to use same formula, only just observe here. Here we have to use y2 dash, y3 dash, y4 dash. So in place of y2 dash, y3 dash and y4 dash, here we have used z2, z3, z4. So no need to change the formula here. Formula will remain same. Only thing, in place of y2 dash, here we will use z2. In y3 dash we will use z3. In y4 dash we will use z4 here. Okay, now this is y4 of character formula. And what about z4 of character formula means z4 of c, which is equals to z2 plus h divided by 3 into z2 dash plus 4 z3 dash plus of z4 dash. So in step 5 what we should do, after calculating z4 dash value, so let us use this z4 dash value in character formulae. So step 5, we apply character formula and find y4 of character and also z4 of character. Y4 of character formula is y2 plus h by 3 into z2 plus 4z3 plus z4. Okay, and z4 of character formula is z2 plus h by 3 into z2 dash plus 4z3 dash plus of z4 dash. Okay, so this is step 5. Now step 6. Step 6, again we apply character formula. Okay, so again we apply character formula. Here we using z4 of c value which is obtained in step 5. Okay, so here what we should do, again we apply the character formula using z4 of this value which is obtained in step 5. Okay, so and find the character value of y4c and find character value of y4 of c. Okay, so here once again we use the y4 of character formula. Okay, that is y2 plus h by 3 into z2 plus 4z3 plus of z4 of character value. Means here in this step 6 we use the z4 of character value which we have obtained in step 5. Okay, so once again we calculate here y4 of character value. Okay, so here after apply character formula twice, let us observe. Here we should already we use y4 of character value. Again we need to calculate y4 of character value. Okay, so after using this character formula twice times, let us observe whether the roots are repeated or not. If the roots are repeated, then you can stop this procedure. Okay, suppose if the roots are not repeated, then what we should do, then once again you use the character procedure again. Okay, so here this step 7, we observe this y4 of character values, both the y4 of character values, whether you get the repeated roots or not. Suppose you get the repeated roots, then and that is nothing but our final initial value solution. Suppose if you are not getting repeated roots, then this procedure will continue. Okay, so character procedure again we will do. So here we can write we continue the above character procedure till we get consistency in two consecutive values of y4. Okay, I hope you understand the working procedure of second order ordinary differential equation by using Milne's method. Okay, so this is a working procedure for solving the examples. Okay, now let us solve the examples now. Example number 1. Apply Milne's method. Apply Milne's method to compute y of 0.8 to compute y of 0.8 given that d square y divided by dx square, which is equals to 1 minus 2 into dy by dx into y, and the following table of the initial values So they have given here table. So x values they have given 0, 0 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, and corresponding y values they have given 0, 0 0.02, 0 0.0795, 0 0.1762. They have given y dash value. Y dash is nothing but z. So they have given 0, 0 0.1996, 0 0.3937, 0 0.5689. Okay, so and they are asking to calculate, apply the corrector formulae twice. Okay, so in this particular example, they have given second order ordinary differential equation, which is in the form d square y divided by dx square, which is equals to 1 minus 2 into dy by dx into y. And they have given some initial values in this table. X data points they have given, corresponding y values they have given, also they have mentioned y dash values, and they are asking to apply corrector formula twice by using Milne's method. Okay, and to calculate y value here at x equals to 0.8. Okay, now let us solve this example. So here first we can write the given differential equation, which is in the form. So here we can write d square y divided by dx square, which is equals to 1 minus 2 into dy by dx into y. Okay, now first we put dy by dx, which is equals to z. Okay, and differentiating this one and differentiating with respect to x. Okay, differentiating with respect to x, then we will get, we obtain here. So that is dy by dx differentiation with respect to x means d square y divided by dx square, which is equals to, or we can say y double dash, which is equals to z differentiation with respect to x is dz by dx, or we can say z dash. Okay, or we can say z dash. So in first, in working procedure we will discuss already. So in step 1 is what we convert. Okay, we convert the second order ordinary differential equation to first order ordinary differential equation. Now what we'll do here, substitute this value in above given differential equation. Is it right? So the given equation becomes, the given, here we can write the given above equation becomes, so let us substitute this value in above equation, then it becomes d square y divided by dx square, which reduces to z dash. Okay, so z dash, which is equals to 1 minus 2y into dy by dx is z. Okay, so here we'll get z dash, which is equals to 1 minus 2yz. So this is first order. Okay, first order ordinary differential equation. It means here we have reduced the second order ordinary differential equation to first order ordinary differential equation in step 1. Okay, I hope you understand. here. So how to reduce this second order ordinary differential equation to first order ordinary differential equation. So after reducing this first order ordinary differential equation, let us calculate first the value of z0 dash, z1 dash, z2 dash and z3 dash. Okay, now here we need to calculate z0 dash value by using this above equation. So above first order ordinary differential equation is what? Z dash equals to 1 minus 2yz. Y is considered as y naught, z is considered as z naught. So let us substitute the values here. So by using this above table, 1 minus 2 into y0 value they have given in the question 0 and z0 value also they have given 0. So here you will get z0 dash value is 1. Okay, so z0 dash which is equals to 1. So let us calculate z1 dash again. So 1 minus 2 into yz. Y is considered as y1, z is considered as z1. So 1 minus 2 into, in the question they have given y1 value. Y1 they have given 0.02 and z1 they have given 0.1996. Now simplify this one, you will get z1 dash value. So that z1 dash which is equals to 0.992. Okay. Now z2 dash which is equals to 1 minus 2 into yz. So again consider the given differential equation here. So y is considered as y2, z is considered as z2. Let us substitute the values of y2 and z2 here. Y2 value is 0.0795 into Z2 value is 0.3937. Simplify it, you will get Z2 dash which is equals to 0.9374. Okay, so this is our Z2 dash value. Similarly, calculate Z3 dash. Z3 dash which is equals to, again the first order ordinary differential equation is what? 1 minus 2 into yz. Y is become y3, z become z3. So let us substitute the value of y3 and z3 here. So y3 value is 0.1762 and z3 is 0.5689. Now simplify this one, we will get z3 dash which is equals to 0.7995. Okay, so now let us prepare the table here by using all the datas now. So here we will prepare the table. So x values, y dash that is nothing but z, and y double dash that is equals to z dash. Okay, so here y x value, x means x naught value they have given in the question 0 and x1 is 0.2, x2 is 0.4, x3 is 0.6. Okay, x3 is 0.6 and y0 value they have given 0, y1 value is 0.02, y2 value is 0.0795 and y3 value which is equals to 0.1762. Okay, and y dash they have given in the question only, z0 value they have given 0, z1 value which is equals to 0.1996 and z2 which is equals to 0.3937, z3 which is equals to 0.5689. Okay, now z dash we already calculated above here, so let us substitute the values here. Z0 dash we recently calculated, so you will get 1 here, so substitute 1. Z1 dash value is 0.992, z2 dash which is equals to 0.9374, z3 dash which is equals to 0.7995. Okay, so here we prepare consisting values of x, y dash and y double dash. Okay, so by using this table we calculate predictor value as well as the character value of Milne's method. Okay, so this is our step 2. In step 2, what we should do? We prepare the table. Okay, by using the values of x, y and y dash, we need to calculate here x0 dash, z1 dash, z2 dash and z3 dash. Okay, so this is our step 2. Now let us move for step 3. Now, after preparing the table, now we first consider Milne's predictor formula. Okay, so here we first consider Milne's predictor formulae and find y4 of predictor and z4 of predictor. Okay, now let us write the formula here. Y4 of predictor formula is y0 plus 4h by 3 into 2z1 minus z2 plus of 2z3. Okay, now let us substitute the values here. So y0 value, by using this above table, y0 value is 0 plus 4 into h value is 0.2 divided by 3 into 2 into z1 value is 0.1996 minus z2 value is 0.3937 plus 2 into z3 value is 0.5689. Okay, now let us calculate y4 of predictor value here. So y4 of, after simplification, you will get y4 of predictor value is 0.3049 here. Okay, now let us consider Z4 of predictor formulae. So Z4 of predictor, which is equals to Z0 plus 4h by 3 into 2z1 dash minus z2 dash plus 2z3 dash. Okay, so this is a formula to calculate Z4 of predictor value. So let us substitute the values once again by using this table. Okay, by using this table, let us substitute here value of z1 dash, z2 dash, z3 dash and calculate the z4 of predictor value. Okay, now z0 value is 0 plus 4 into h is 0.2 divided by 3. So z1 dash, how much you are getting? That is 0.0992 minus z2 dash value is 0.9374 plus 2 into z3 dash value is 0.7995. Now after simplification you will get z4 of predictor value which is equals to 0.7055. Okay, so this is our Z4 of predictor value. Z4 of Y4 of predictor value is 0.3049. Z4 of predictor value is 0.7055. Okay. Now this is step 3. Step 3 means what? We apply the predictor formula and find Y4 of predictor and also the Z4 of predictor. So here I have done this process. Okay. Now let us move for step 4. So step 4 is what? Compute Z4 dash. Okay. So here we can write, consider Z4 dash which is equals to function of x4, y4, z4. So we know the given differential equation which we already reduces in first order ordinary differential equation. So what is that? So that is 1 minus 2 yz. Is it right? So here y is considered as y4, z is considered as z4. Let us substitute the value of y4 of predictor value here and z4 of predictor and calculate Z4 dash here. So Z4 dash which is equals to 1 minus 2 into Y4 of predictor value. Let us substitute here, that is 0.3049. Okay, into Z4 of predictor value, how much you are getting? 0.7055. So substitute here and simplify it. You will get Z4 dash which is equals to 0.5698. Okay, now here we'll get Z4 dash value is 0.5698. So this is our step 4. Okay, and let us move for step 5. Step 5 means what? We apply the character formula. and find y4 of character and z4 of character. Okay, so here we can write next we apply character formulae and find y4 of character and z4 of character. Okay, so y4 of character formula which is equals to y4 of character which is equals to y2 plus h by 3 into z2 plus 4z3 plus of z4. Okay, so formula is what? Y4 of character which is equals to y2 plus h by 3 into z2 plus 4z3 plus of z4. Z4 means here we use the z4 of predictor value. Okay, now let us substitute the value and calculate y4 of character value here. So y2 value is 0.0795 plus h is 0.2 divided by 3 and z2 value is 0.3937 plus 4 into z3 value is 0.5689 plus z4 of predictor value we already obtained here. So let us substitute this value in y4 of character formulae. So that is 0.7055. Now simplify it, you will get y4 of character which is equals to 0.3045. Okay, so here you will get y4 of character value is 0.3045. Okay, now let us calculate z4 of character. Okay, so here we calculate z4 of character by using the z4 of character formulae. So z4 of character which is equals to formula is z2 plus h by 3 into z2 dash plus 4 z3 dash plus of z4 dash. Now this is a formula to calculate z4 of character value. Let's substitute the values here. Z2 value is 0.3937 by using the above table only. So here refer the table. So Z2 value they have given 0.3937 plus H is 0.2 divided by 3. Z2 dash value is 0.9374 plus 4 into Z3 dash value is 0.7995 plus Z4 dash we obtained above here. Okay, so use this Z4 dash value here, use this value Z4 dash in Z4 of character formulae. So how much you are getting Z4 dash here? 0.5698. Let us substitute here 0.5698. Okay, and simplify it, you will get Z4 of character value is 0.7074. So Z4 of character value is how much? 0.7074. So this is step 5. Okay, now step 6 is what? After calculating, applying character formula of y4 of character and z4 of character, once again we need to use character formula and find y4 of character. Is it right? So here once again use character formulae. Once again use character formula and find y4 of character again. Okay, because in the question they have mentioned apply character formula twice. Okay, so that's why once again we use the character formula of y4c and calculate y4 of character value once again. So y4 of character which is equals to formula is what? So y2 plus h by 3 into z2 plus 4z3 plus of z4 of character value. Okay, so here we have used z4 of this above character value. Okay, now let us substitute the values once again here. So y4 of y2 value is 0.0795 plus h is 0.2 divided by 3 and Z2 is 0.3937 plus 4 into Z3 value is 0.5698 5689 plus Z4 of character value. Z4 of character means use this value here. So that is 0.7074. Okay, 0.7074, and calculating once again in Y4 of character value here. So Y4 of character value will get 0.3046. Okay, now let us check the previous character value here. Okay, so that is Y4 of character in first time how much you are getting 0.3045, and after using the Z4 of character value once again in Y4 of character formula, then we will get Y4 of character is 0.3046. It means the both the Y4 of character values roots are identical up to 4 decimal places. Okay, thus here we write y value at 0.8, which is equals to 0.3046, is the required solution of given second order ordinary differential equation by using Milne's method. I hope you understand this second order ordinary differential equation by using Milne's method. Okay, so in next session we'll solving some more examples based on this Milne's method. Okay, thank you for watching this.